number 8, let V that is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, V2 is 1, 0, 1, and V3 is 1, 1, 2. V1 plus A2 V2. Three are arbitrary real numbers. So find S that is linearly dependent, and V3 is equal to V1 plus V3. So for this, give an example. 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. We have third row 1, 1, 2. So where A1, A2, and A3 are arbitrary real numbers. And if we add the this is for the third row. So if we have this 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then for the process in determining the dimension of the given vectors, since the first step is to have the matrix, to form a matrix. So it is already formed a matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, then 1, 1, 2. Then we have to reduce row echelon form to get the basis. Then we have here first, we have R1 plus R2 is equal to change the R1 or the row 2. So we will have to R1 plus R2. So it will become now, so this is now 1, 1, 2. So we have 0, 1, 0, then negative 1, negative 1. Then we have 1, 1, 2, same. Then for...
Okay, proceed na sa row echelon form niya.
Then we have...
Balo na sila, anak. Reduced row echelon form.
Okay, sir. Okay, so this is now the reduced row echelon form. So it means that there are only there are two big two.
Reduce ba na siya? Reduce ba na siya?
For the
Mateo? I think it's just in echelon form that it's not reduced. Wait.
yes,
Kanawa
sir.
yung reading 1 on, negative 1, wala. No. Multiply it by reduce o na. Dili pa na siya reduce.
Simplify pa natin, sir.
Kailangan wala siya leading 1.
It needs to simplify, sir.
Okay, sige, continue.
Yes, sir. It needs to simplify.
Can you continue your report next meeting, Matthew, exactly 3? I hope that all reporters kailangan mag-report next meeting tanan ha. Mag-start tag early next meeting, 12, exactly 12 na mag-start next meeting, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Here's another. Here's another
Send
example.
your report now. Continue this one next meeting.
Okay po,
We will
sir.
start at
For security, sir.
be able to report next meeting na report kailangan maka-report na. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay po, sir.
Okay po, sir.
Okay, goodbye class.
Ayan po, good sir na murag F2F na ba to?
Oo.
Mag-F2F na dyan next semester, sir.
So, wala pong kabasa sa CMO. Sa undergrad naman siguro?
Awesome.
I don't know.
Sige, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay
Okay
na?
po, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sige. We'll continue this one next meeting and all reporters should be able to report. That's why we'll have to start the class exactly 12. Now, reporter, kinsa reporter sa theory karon gani?
Misa, sir, misa.
Misaan? Misaan?
Kanyeda, sir.
Wait. Sa theory? Kinsa dayon?
Sean Elizalde, sir.
Maguna si Kanyeda o si
Mesa.
Mesa, then group
Ratsuan
Mesa, then
Ratsuan Elizalde, sir.
Racho and Elizalde, okay? Okay, Kanyeda and Misa, please provide the link. Elizalde and Racho also provide the link. Okay?
Noted,
We will start 2:55. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You provide the link.
Po, sir.
You provide the link now because I will have